Hello, let's start this second video making the access to the power button and the speed control, which of course will be different depending on the model you're gonna use. Now prepare the fastening system of the blade. To do this, make a groove up to half of the bolt so we can get a higher contact surface area. Assemble it and tighten the nut without moving the bolt. Cut the top of an unused blade to make the quick release system. You better use one from metal because they are a little wider. Also make a groove in the other bolt and insert the blade. To place and remove the blade, we must proceed like this. First hold the top and pressing down, insert it in the jigsaw. Check the square of the blade in both axes and calibrate it if needed, moving the blade through the bolt. And in the other axis using these bolts. Try if it works, and now we can make the quick access cover using open methacrylate. Remember to always work at low speeds with these plastic materials. I'll make now some final adjustments to get a better performance. I have to adjust the spring tension to the speed of the jig. My jigsaw has 6 different speeds, from 1000 strokes per minute in the first one to almost 3000 in the fastest. After several tests, I noticed that with 4 to 5 kilos of spring tension, I get acceptable outcome up to the third speed. Using bigger tension could release the blade. And if we use a higher speed, it will become unstable and the cuts won't be perfect. Anyway, with this speed range I have enough. I am gonna assemble the second one now. It is almost the same but with a few changes to adapt it to my portable workshop. Mark, place it and install the threaded inserts. Set up the blade like we did on the other one, and finally I'll try if it works cutting a piece of plywood in first speed. And that's all for today. I'll make one last video so you can learn how to use both tools, and I'll try to show you all you can do with them.